Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will go through the complete workflow of converting stock videos into awesome cinematic sequence. I will link to the resources below so you can check them out. I have 12 stock videos to use in my project. Let's go through the steps so we can understand how this effect will be achieved. To create a perfect video, there are a few things to consider. Frame rate of the video, better lighting, lens choice, good audio, storytelling, edit style. As I am limited to only videos that I have, I'll focus on these 4 properties. Now I imported these videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Add cinematic aspect ratio. For better lighting, I will color grade the videos to get more details out of it. I will keep things natural. For good audio, I will add a music behind the clips and sync them with it. Music can make or break an entire video's feel. That's why choose it wisely so that it resonates with the video. To cover storytelling part, I will add a voiceover behind it. Edit style totally depends upon the message you want to convey through the video and the feel behind it. As this video will be more like a motivation video, I will not add too many transitions and keep things simple. After implementing all the things we discussed above, this is the end result. We are alone sometimes. In the cold-hearted world, no one is there to feel our pain and to trust. It's hard to see things this way. Things get messy sometimes, but the time never stops. Because everything is temporary. Emotions, thoughts, people, and scenery. That's why these clouds of sadness will also disappear. Things will go normal. As long as you don't forget to smile and share happiness with others. Smile because the sadness is not forever. If you liked the video, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.